Hi everybody, this video is to help you if you arrive in Positano by ferry like we did. We searched online to find out how to get from the ferry where it drops you off to where the taxis and buses are, and we couldn't find any information, so I wanted to create this video to save you the hassle. So over my shoulder you can see the ferry dropping people off, and you can see people lined up waiting to get on the ferry. These ferries come and go from Capri, Amalfi, Sorrento, anywhere else? And Salerno. So basically you just get off the ferry, and there are no taxis or buses to be found. There is no vehicular traffic where the ferries drop you off. You can see we are right beside the beach. And you can see a lovely view of Positano from here. So you have two options. You can either give your luggage to a porter and pay them to carry your bags, or you can take your own bags like what we did, but be prepared. It's going to be probably about a 15 to 20 minute hike uphill and upstairs and on cobblestone. So, you know, if you're not too steady on your feet, you may want to rethink how you're getting to Positano. Riding by a vehicle or bus might be a better option. So now we're going to walk you all the way through and show you how to get to, what do you call that thing, where you catch the bus?
Like the town square where you'd be able to catch a taxi or bus.
We're going to walk you through all the steps that you have to go to get to the town square where you would catch a taxi or a bus. Okay, so we are walking. It's quiet right now compared to the other day when we arrived, and it's very, very hot. You can see that the where you're walking is very uneven. It's cobblestones, so you constantly have to watch where you're going, and you're usually dodging other people with their suitcases. So you're going to come to a point where the cobblestone ends.
Hey, bro.
And you see like this white cement. We are going to continue on, go straight. Do not turn, go straight. Oh. So we're gonna walk beside the patio tables. And you're just going to continue walking here for a while. You want me to hold the camera? So whenever you get to this red building, you're going to see this sign. That's City Central and the Duomo Cathedral. And this is how we're going to go. So turn right at the red building. At the end of the pathway, turn left. You're gonna see this ceramic store, then you're gonna turn right, and you're gonna start climbing the stairs up towards the Duomo. I did this the other day with my luggage, and the place was crowded, and people just like to stop in front of you, and it really gets on your nerves after a while because you're hot and tired. So when you get to the top of the first flight, turn right, and then left again to go up this flight.
It's a lot of stuff.
Okay.
It is. We just go as long as
So now, when you get to the top, you just rest. Okay, have you rested? So now we're going to continue. So we're in the church square. You're going to go left now. Up, guess what? More stairs.
Is this the beach this way or this?
You have to go, keep going down.
Keep this way?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
When you get to the top of the stairs, you should see Via de Molina. And then you can see halfway behind me. I think the stairs are pretty much over if my memory serves me right, but it's all uphill climbing. It's still hard. So when you get to the top of the stairs at the church, go straight, do not turn right. So we're gonna go straight. Put our blinker on and get on the right side of the road. That has to be one of the most frustrating things, especially when you have luggage. People just walk all over, like, just stay on one side. And you also have to make room for these guys. That's the luggage porters. It's a nice walk, it's covered. But when you have your suitcase, it's a struggle.
Positano. €3.
We're gonna rest for a minute. Okay, so you ready to continue? We're going up the hill again. It's really humid today. It's hard to breathe. Keep going. So we're coming to a dead end. And we're gonna turn right. And we're going up another hill. Okay, let's go break over.
Devono essere proporzionati.
they just go.
Isn't this fun?
Yeah, you're right. To put, we could put a couple on that.
So we keep going. keep going.
All right, I won't be a minute.
And we are getting close. This is the square you are looking for, where you can catch the bus, grab a taxi. This is the first area where there's vehicle traffic. So when you get to the square, this is what you should be looking at. You see the red building, kind of burnt orange building, Tabashi? That's where you buy the bus tickets. And there's a clock. And this is where you wait for the bus. And the bus stop. This is the Piazza. So I hope that this little tour has helped it make it easier for you whenever you arrive in Positano by ferry. I know if we would have had directions like this, it really would have been helpful to us. Because trust me, it's so crowded here. And like I said, you're constantly battling people and climbing stairs when you have your luggage. It's not fun. Even when you're not carrying luggage, like you can sometimes get winded because it's a vertical city, so you're going like straight up. So if you found my video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Italy playlist that I am sharing vlogs from all of our travels here in Italy for the past 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. Ciao.